In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your modules basically on any page. You'll notice that some modules, when you point to them, they do not have any symbols in the upper right hand corner, which means they're basically set on the page. They are set up by the admin and you really can't turn them off. Now, any module that has a star in the upper right hand corner, it means that you can alter the looks of that particular module. For an example, if I go into the module or the star there, one of the things that you can do, which I think is something nice to have, is to actually group your courses by term. At this point you might have several terms on your screen at the same time. So you might want to go in and turn this on. Also, you will be seeing the last couple of years worth of courses in Blackboard, and you're going to need to go in and turn these off. So at this point you can go in and set what courses you want to see on that My Institution page. Okay, so if there's like past terms that you don't want, you can go in and turn off the course so that they do not view. Also, I can go in and group them by terms, and let's say for an example this is an old term, so I don't want to see that on there, so I'm going to eliminate that and then just hit submit. And you'll see in the courses, you'll see that they're listed by each one of the semesters that are coming up. Okay, so that's one thing that you can go in and change. You can go in and grab this 4-prong arrow in front of a module, and you can click and drag it and move them around if you want them in a different spot on your screen. Okay, if you do have a module that has not only the modifications option, but you also have an X, you can just close it, and that will eliminate the module from your screen only. Okay, now if you go to your courses tab, you can also modify your courses in here as well if you want them to be listed out in a specific format. You can hide whatever courses you don't want to see. Again, you can just go to the Manage option and do it there. Another thing that you can do from your courses screen, if you want to see courses that are on the system right now, I can go in and type in a specific heading and you can actually go in and do a search. It's the same idea as going out to the college website and doing a course search, but you can actually go in and see the courses in a specific program that you're looking for, things like that, and specify different categories and do a search for what's on the system right now. You could even look for old courses, new courses, things like that. So I'm going to close out of that and just go back to courses. Okay, now at this point we don't have anything in the catalog to search through, so that one you could even go in and decide if you don't want that module anymore. Okay, so at this point you can go in and access your courses from here. You can alter how you want the courses listed. You can add modules. Remember, you can go back to the add module. If there's a module that you want to add to your home screen, you can go into add module and select a module that you want to add to it. Anything that's viewing already will not have add underneath it. So if I decide I want to add a calculator, I can do that. And just OK that. Okay, so now I can see that the calculator's been added. If I decide I don't like the looks of it, I can just go in and hit the X to turn that back off and remove it. I can always add it back in if I wanted to. Okay, so that's how you can customize some of your modules.